Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the way to another Cars and Coffee in downtown Birmingham. Just a few minutes out, anticipating it's going to be pretty busy because this is a pretty popular Cars and Coffee. There's also another Cars and Coffee right afterwards, so we're kind of hitting a triple 3-for-1 weekend, which is pretty cool. Planning on just doing a quick lap, seeing what the parking situation's like, and then probably park, walk, check out some cool cars, see what's happening. Forgot there was free parking downtown all day because it's Sunday. That's neat. Nice little win. This is sick, dude. We've never been to this one. I already see a Ford GT F80 M3. Some sort of supercars. Looks like a McLaren. Same Lambo we saw yesterday. Here we go. Let's see what we got. That McLaren is sick. I'm gonna take a gander at that across the street. That's quite the way to get around. It's a little too poor for my taste. That's so funny. So we need room. Kicked out the Audi before the Honda. SF90. Ooh. Look at the sunlight hitting this thing now.
Who are you?
I like the white GT3. That's so funny. I hear a V12 somewhere. I can hear it. I hear it. I hear an Aventador. It's gonna be coming from that way. You develop a specific hearing for cars once you've been around them long enough. I hear a V12.
Right in the parking lot.
This is Hugo's 720S that we've had on the rallies. the second Cars and Coffee of the day, third of the weekend, is just up here on the right. Assuming we're gonna see some of the same cars, but we'll pop around for a little bit and then probably take off. Hold on, look at that Mini Cooper. I gotta take a look at this thing. Do you see that? Yeah. That's crazy. Ooh. That's clean. Ooh, V9 wagon. I like it. All right, ladies and gents, we are back in the garage, the showroom, kind of wrapping up the week. Really cool Cars and Coffee events this past weekend. 2 videos ago was the Nashville Hot Chicken. I believe it was the Houston Hot Chicken Cars and Coffee grand opening event in Sterling Heights, Michigan. Anybody else's B9 do that? They just like walk near it and it locks, or like when I'm washing my car, it just locks. Anyways, sidetracked. That Cars and Coffee was really cool. That was the first one of the season, so if you didn't watch that video, go check it out. It was really fun. I saw some Aventadors, other really cool stuff, and it was just like the first overall one. This episode, the cars were a different level. It was a little more intimate of a setting. It was just like a downtown Birmingham. At that Jewelers, that guy was cool, man. Everybody there was pretty chill. Saw some cars that we recognized just from like local here. I guess I can call myself a local now. I did live here previously, but hey, those are fun. It is officially Cars and Coffee season here in Southeast Michigan. So we will be going to, let's see, so 2 weekends from now, technically, we are going to the M1 Concourse Cars and Coffee. So if you guys are watching this and you live in Southeast Michigan, Pontiac M1 Concourse, I believe it is the JDM Cars and Coffee, but obviously everybody kind of goes. They let people park everywhere. They're usually really busy because they only do them once a month. So the M1 Concourse Cars and Coffee, definitely one to hit. I will be there. If you see me, come say hi. If you see the S4, take a picture, send it to me. I love when people do that. So that's 2 weekends from now. This weekend, which is actually tomorrow, it's Thursday when I'm filming this. Tomorrow, we're heading to Grattan Raceway near Grand Rapids, where we're doing a track day. I'm not taking the S4, but hopefully we'll get some hot laps in some really cool cars. I know a couple friends from home being Traverse City, are going. I have 0 experience track driving. I have been a passenger on the Rally Kings track day we did in, was that Wisconsin, Blackhawk Farms, which was incredible. I really like the track stuff. So that brings me to kind of the near future, being like, what would that be, a month and a half from now? We're going on the Rally Kings Lake of the Ozarks rally. Also being a passenger in that. But this time around, I will be getting to drive on the track. We're going in an Audi R8 Spider, and I will be driving it. I'm so excited, like you have no idea how pumped I am to do that. It's just an incredible opportunity, and I cannot wait. So I figured in the meantime, might as well go to Grattan, get some experience at least as far as being on the track. The instructors kind of have like a class that everybody walks through, so you at least learn kind of what a driving line is and like how to take a turn and how to brake and manage your brakes so you're not cooking them on hot laps and stuff. So it's really cool. I'm very much looking forward to that. So we're going down to Grand Rapids tomorrow, coming back Sunday, but there will be 2, I think, full days of driving if the weather permits. I think it might be a little rainy on Saturday, but we'll see. I've done a lot of talking here, so I'm going to wrap up the video. If you guys want to stick around, watch the next Cars and Coffee, watch the track days, make sure to hit the subscribe button, stick around, watch the next videos. Let's hit 25,000. We're so close. I can feel it. We're like 24.4 or something like that. So I think we're 500 subscribers away, which is really close. Hit the like button for that algorithm. As always, ladies and gents, till next time, we'll see you.